hold on. See? There you have it. You know, life is quite an unpredictable phenomenon, if you ask me. You know, you have synchronicity and serendipity. You know, synchronicity. And I found this pencil today. And I assumed that it was God trying to tell me indirectly that, hey, you need to probably put the computer down and start sketching. Literally. Right? So, this is my, like the underlying mechanism of their personality and characteristics. I tend to encounter a lot of people who wear spirituality on their sleeve. They wear spirituality on their sleeve. It's like a 15-minute first impression. And the stuff that... So let's just say sporadically I drop my finger on the paper. So it's a point at the horizon where the two receding lines... Language, man. It's a vibration. It's an energy. It's a... How would I put this into perspective? I don't encounter